Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the drive type, SATA versus NVMe-M. 2 matters because NVMe gets power through the M. 2-slot, not a cable. Once done, shut down and unplug the power supply and ground yourself to prevent ESD. This protects the SSD. Next, identify the PSU SATA power cable or a Molex to SATA adapter if your supply lacks native SATA connectors. Make sure the cable is intact and the clip lines up. This prevents bending pins or misalignment during connection. You now connect a SATA SSD. Orient the wide, L-shaped SATA power plug to match the drive socket. This prevents reversed insertion. Once aligned, press straight and steadily until the plastic latch engages. You should feel or hear a click. Do not twist or force the connector. If it won't seat, double-check orientation. After seating, route the cable cleanly away from cooling fans and hot components, and use a zip tie to relieve strain so the connector doesn't loosen later during vibration. You're at the finish line. Reconnect the PSU, power on, and enter BIOS or UEFI to verify the SSD appears. If the drive isn't detected, first power down and reseat the power cable, then try a different SATA power plug or a known good Molex to SATA adapter to isolate a faulty cable. Also verify PSU capacity and rails. Underpowered systems can fail to spin devices up. If problems persist, test the SSD with another computer to rule out drive failure, and document any error LEDs or beeps for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.